Hey there all you gorgeous people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ansela. Since we have already entered into the holiday season and nowhere to go due to lockdown, I thought of creating a house party and a holiday look. My skin is prepped and primed. For my foundation, I'm using Wet n Wild Bronze Beige shade. This foundation gives a light to medium coverage. Since this foundation dries faster, I would like to give you all a tip to quickly start blending the product. I'm blending it with my Damn Beauty blender. This foundation gives a true matte finish and is very light on the skin. I'm using LA Girl Pro Concealer Creamy Beige. It is crease resistant with opaque coverage and has a lightweight texture. I have already contoured my skin. Contouring helps to sculpt the structure of the face. I'm blending it well with a beauty sponge. To even out the skin tone on my eyelids, I'm applying LA Girl Pro Concealer and dabbing it well with a beauty sponge. So that my concealer doesn't crease, I'm using the shade Bare from Huda Beauty Nude palette. I'm dabbing it well all over my eyelid. As my transitional shade, I'm using color Raw to add some depth to my eyeshadow. I'm blending it a bit above my crease. Make sure you add the color little by little, blending it out well. Now I'm cutting my crease in the center of my eyelids with LA Girl Pro Concealer with the help of my finger. This makes the eyes appear wider and draws more attention to the colors on the lids. My eyeshadow is in a mess right now, but I will show you the color. See how beautiful this color looks? I love sparkle. Since it's festive, I'm in a holiday mood and it's the best season of the year, winters, so I'm super excited. Now I'm applying it with my finger and spreading it over my cut crease. See how beautiful this looks. I'm using a white eyeliner pencil below my waterline. White shade usually makes your eyes look more bigger and brighter. And on my waterline, I'm using a black eye pencil. For my lashes, I'm using MAC mascara. Since it's my home look, holiday mood, festive zone, I love enhancing my own lashes. I'm using a wiggle and pull technique and double coating my eyelashes. To add my blush, I'm applying this beautiful pinkish shade. It has a lovely sheen tint to it. Blend it out well. For my eyebrows, I'm filling in the sparse areas by combing the brows downwards. Filling it in by giving light hair-like strokes and brushing them back with a spoolie. I have mentioned all the products in the description down below in detail. Now to complete my eye look, I'm applying mascara on my lower lashes. For my lips, I'm using Midnight, which is reddish maroon in color. Since my outfit today is a beautiful green, these colors of reddish maroon stand opposite each other and are the most contemporary colors. To complete the look, I'm going to highlight in certain areas of my face, like my cheekbones, my nose, my forehead and brow bones. And here is the complete look. If you liked this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click on the bell icon to get notifications on my new video. You can also follow me on my Instagram account. Thank you for watching.